Ever wondered about the difference between a real estate agent, a realtor, and a real estate broker? Well, let me break it down for you. A real estate agent is a professional who has passed a state exam and is licensed to represent buyers or sellers or lessees/tenants in a real estate transaction. They work under a supervising broker and are not allowed to work independently. Number two, a realtor. A realtor is a real estate agent who is a member of the National Association of Realtors. Realtors are bound by a strict code of ethics and have access to extensive market data and resources, which is called the multiple listing system. This is a pay for play. If you don't pay, then you can't be a realtor. So that being said, you can be an apartment locator and not be a realtor. In order to lease apartments, you have to be a real estate licensee, but you do not have to necessarily be a realtor to do so. Number three, a real estate broker. A broker has taken education beyond the agent level and passed a broker's license exam. Brokers can work independently or hire agents to work for them. They can also own a real estate firm. In essence, all realtors and brokers are real estate agents, but not all agents are realtors or brokers. Each has a different level of responsibility, knowledge, and access to resources. When choosing a professional to assist in your real estate needs, it's important to understand these differences to make an informed decision. Should you be seeking a seasoned real estate broker who also carries the realtor designation with an impressive track record spanning over 26 years in the industry, I invite you to reach out to me directly, Mr. 210, whether your needs involve listing your existing home, purchasing a new one, or simply seeking answers to a few San Antonio real estate inquiries. I, Mr. 210, am eager to assist. I look forward to hearing from you. God bless you, and God bless your family.